Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you why your cucumber may be turning yellow. Here's a clip from the show. All right, here is our cucumber harvest for today, and they are really on. They are very happy right now. I did find one that was yellow, and what this is this is a mature cucumber that is maturing out its seeds, so it's not good to eat, but if I'd have left this on the plant a little bit longer, we could have saved the seed out of it. We can cut it open, take a look inside. Typically, if you're wanting to harvest cucumbers to eat, you don't let these stay on the plant. This is just one that I missed. We can get a knife out here and take a look inside and see. Like I said, it might be mature enough to make seed in, since these are open pollinated. Do this without cutting the leg open, right? Oh yeah. Okay, so here's the seeds, and they are not quite mature enough yet. I'm going to feed this to the chickens anyways, so if you are going to save these to seed, let them stay on the plant just a little bit longer than this. Until they get, you'll feel them, this one's still firm until it feels kind of squishy. And then you'll be able to take the seed out of here and save it. So I just wanted this off the plant because I'm not saving seed from this year. I'm just trying to get cucumbers to eat. So this will go to the chickens and I'll get to eat the rest. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 27. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.